there, I'm Charlotte, the Gulf Coast Granny, and today I want to talk to y'all a little bit about repurposing things for your garden. Last year, Poppy and I had been in this house about 4 months, and I didn't really know if I was going to make a garden because I was recovering from a heart attack, and then kind of late in the season, we decided, yeah, we'll do it. So it was at the beginning of April when we started building our garden, and honestly, we didn't have a whole lot of expendable cash to do that with. So we were looking around the property trying to find things to use to make garden beds, and we found what I'm about to show you. This pile of vinyl siding was behind that shed when we first moved here, and we used it last year to create 3 beds that used to be in the center of that garden right there. Well, this morning, Poppy decided that this bed that runs on the outside of the fence here needed to be bigger. So he dug it out an extra foot, now it's 3 feet wide, and he repurposed the repurposed siding to contain the soil. And that is what I ended up with. And I absolutely love it. Now, I will come out here with a broom a little bit later and something to clean it with and make it all pretty and pristine white if I can. If there's a blemish on it here and there, it's not going to matter that much because the purpose of this is to contain the soil. But I just wanted to show y'all that because really there is no limit to what you can use to build a bed. No limit at all. As long as it contains the soil, you've got a garden bed, or at least a raised bed garden, and that's the way that I prefer to garden. Eventually what we will do is make it like these big tall ones over here, so that I don't have to get on the ground. But one more season of getting on the ground in one bed is not going to hurt my feelings a bit. And actually, I'm thinking about putting my peppers in here because they pretty much take care of themselves.